channel, Budget for Success. Woo! Today is an exciting day because we are going to keep the change. Woo! Yes, we are. It's time for our Keep the Change challenge. So let's get started. Shoom! All right, we're about to save some money today. Yes, we are. And we're going to use it with Fiona's Keep the Change book. So, for most of you that have been with me for a while, you know I started this journey of saving in this wonderful savings challenge book from Fiona. Frugality is life. And I did change a lot of the amounts on just about every single challenge to make it a Keep the Change challenge. And so we are going to see how far we can get today. We've got at least, it says here, $15 to work with. And so what we do is we save money in these coin holders. And I have been cash stuffing and condensing, guys. So I had a bunch of ones in here and I needed the ones for savings challenges. So I have cash condensed these. So I have 10s and 20s in here now. So we are really making headway. Before the video is over, I'm going to share with you how much I have saved in this challenge because I'm tracking it in a spreadsheet because I want to show you how keeping your change can help you save hundreds and even thousands of dollars. So that's my goal. All right. So what we do first is spin the dice to figure out what section we're working on. So we rolled a 10. So we are going to save section 10, which is back here towards the end of the book. So please hold. All right, so I'm not going to be flipping too much today. So we're going to try to save most of the money in here and maybe even complete some savings challenges. So I do have my bell just in case. So this one first right here. Then we roll the dice. Let's do it. We rolled a 1. I was like, let's follow the rules. So we roll the dice, we roll a 1. Here is the first savings challenge in section 10, or what I call chapter 10. So let's see. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times 70 cents, which I know is $7. Ooh, that's a lot of money that would go into here. So we're not going to finish this one. No. But let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how about that? So 0.70 times 5 is $3.50. And so we can take $3 and change. So we got 1, 2. So that's $3. And we got 50 cents. There we go. So we can take pencil here and cross this off. All right. Now moving on. We rolled a 1 again. Oh, see, you want to keep all the money, but that's not what we're going to do today. So we're going to now go to number 3. These are $1.50. So let's do 1 headphones is $1 and 1 battery is 50 cents. Well, we can do 2 batteries. So that's $2. So we got $2. We're not going to take long today because we're trying to just save some money. So that's $2 and number 56. Nope, 57. Number 57. We actually finished 58. Yes, we did. I saved all the amounts. So let's go back to this one is 5 cents. And let's see how much we're going to save. So we rolled a 4. So 4 times 5 is 20 cents. So let's save 20 cents and 56. And color in 4 of these. It looks like we were using yellow. So we can do 1, 2, 3. There we go. I used to use marker, but I switched because the marker bleeds through. So I stopped doing that. And then now these houses, let's see how many houses we're going to save. 9. Woo! $9. No, we're not going to do that. So let's pick a 3 or a 6. Let's do 3. So 1. I mean, we want to get it over with, but dang. So $3. So we got $1, $2, $3 and number 59. So we're going to color in 3 houses. All right, now let's go to you do you, boo. How many dollars are we saving? Whoo, $6 in you do you, boo. So let's see. We end this real quick. That's $1, $2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 keeps wanting to just show up. So 6 is like, you gonna save $6. Yes, you are. You keep trying not to save it, but you are going to save it. There, I did it. So we got 6 of these gems we got to color in. Okay, we saved $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6. Okay, so that's into that. And the only one, we saved everything. Okay, so let's go to the next section, which is number 4. Please hold. All right, now we have gone to section 4, which is fall is in the air. So let's see, each of these is $1. How many dollars are we saving? $3. So we are going to finish this fall one. So 75. So that's $1. And let's see here. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that is $2 going into number 19. And we got to put another $1 in here. Woo, how are we going to shove all this in here? So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $3. $3. So we get to color in 3 items. So we got a pumpkin. There we go. Now let's see how much 25 cents we are saving. So that's $1.25 that we're saving. Every one of these is 25 cents. So we need $1.25. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cents. And we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There we go. There we go. So we are coloring in 5 icons. Whoop. So this is number 20. So we're putting $1.25 in here. Because we kept the change. This is all change we saved. These are $1. So I don't have that much. And I don't do IOUs. So we're going to see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's $1. And we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And let's do some nickels. Which one is this? 21. We got quite a bit of change in here. So let's see. This is $1.50. $1.50. And then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's, look at that. Woo! $2. Ooh, ooh. 1, 2. All right. Each of these little gems is $1. Not going to spend. Just go here. Let's add $1. I wonder if I can add $2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nope. Just $1. $1. Each of these is $1.50, so we will be skipping number 23. Number 24, these are only 50 cents. So let's see. We got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So let's color in one bone, doggy bone. All right, let's see. How many pennies do we have? 70 cents in pennies. One of these is going to get 70 cents in pennies. All right, let's see. We might be able to make more 50 cent here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There we go. We got 50 cent. We could color in another doggy bone. All right. All right, let me see where we can put the rest of this money. Oh, I think, all right. So we went to now number 5. We are going to finish. I told you we're going to ring the bell today. Yes, we are. So we got 10, 20, 35, 35, 35, and then, what am I doing? 35, 40, and 45, 50. There we go. 50 cent. Ta-da! Woo! We can ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring-a-ling-a-ling. Okay, so we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 times 25 cents is $3. We saved $3 in this savings challenge. Woo! All right. Okay, let me go find one more. Okay, and I found our last candidate is this candle for 50 cents. So we are going to color this cute candle in. So we have, right, this is all 50 cents right here. So we put it in here. Okay, we did it. Number 32 has 50 cents. And now we have 2, 4, 6, 7 cents left. And oh, here we go. We can color in 7 for 7 cents, right? Yep, it's a 7 cent. How about that? A 52-week challenge when 1 is 1 cent and 52 is 52 cents. Hey, hey, hey. By the way, it'll save you $13.78 when you're done. So we need number 52. Woo. Alrighty. That was fun. Okay, guys. Come back because I'm going to tally this up and tell you what my results are. So hold. Okay, guys. I have tallied up what should be in here, what should be saved based on what I have colored. By the way, can you tell I have been working on this? Even though I haven't been recording everything, I have been saving my change. Yes, I have. This is Fiona Frugality is Life Savings Challenge book. Anyway, I have added up everything. This is all the change associated with this book. And this is all the dollars. So I went in and cash condensed. So if I could condense, I put like a $10. But of course, there's still some ones in here. By the way, I use those ones for our collab day when I got to allocate and stuff. But I get the ones when I go to the store and I get change. And so I save all the ones. And then when I have so many ones in here, I condense them with, 20s and 10s. And I use the ones for collab day and everything else. So in here, we have tons of money. Each of these represents a chapter. I broke the book up into chapters. And so we got $6 here in chapter 3. I think the most we have is somewhere back here. One of the chapters back here, we have like $41. Anyway, I wasn't able to print it off, but I do have a summary. So I'm going to show it to you. This is the summary of what I have saved on every single page. And if we scroll down to the bottom, you could see the total now. Right there. Zoom in. There. That's the total of what we have saved, which is $347.74. $347.74. Woo! Ring that bell. Or look, keep that change. $347 in change. Don't tell me change don't add up. I don't care what you say. I know it works. Yes, yes, yes. I think I'm hot stuff. Hot stuff, baby, you see me. Ooh, ooh. Woo. Okay, guys. Keep your change. That's all I have to say. Thank you for hanging out with me today and watching me cash stuff my little coin. You don't have to be extra like I am, but I was proving a point to my son that change adds up, and he's going to believe it when we go to France and we got all this spending money. I love you. Appreciate you. If you would like to visit and come back again, please like, comment, and subscribe, and select your notifications so they'll let you know when I post another cool video. I just wish you the best and the most wonderful day possible. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now. Love you guys.